And here we got the final output of our application. Notice the button size is perfect now, and when I mouse over, notice I got a tooltip, and we're getting the animation. Slowly we're getting the tooltip. When I mouse off, the tooltip is gone. Awesome. Just for the time saving, I have one button control, and this is a tooltip I want to display when I mouse over on the button. For that I am using style sheets. Let's write the code. In the header section, I am adding the style element, then style tag, then h2. h2 is the title tag. Here I am adding background color is blue and the color is white. After that, I am adding the button control class name. So here I am adding dot, my class name, button class name, position relative, then background, let's add a linear to gradient to right. Here I am adding yellow and orange. So this is the button color. If you want, you can change this. This is orange I'm adding here, and this is okay. And after that, I'm adding the border color. The border 2 pixels, groovy, solid, and black color, solid. And after that, I'm adding the padding 10 pixels, 20 pixels. According to your adjustment requirement, you can adjust the paddings, the styles. The color, which is the button color of the text, is white. I'm adding. Then let's add here text align. Text align is the center. Font size is 18 pixels. Font weight is bold. Border radius is around 5 pixels of the button. Cursor pointer, and I require some shadow of the box, so button control. So for that I am adding the box shadow 0, 2 pixels, 4 pixels, and the color RGBA 0.2, the size 0.2. The shadow I want to display this color, and some animations like transition, background image. Background image is 0.2 seconds, 0.2 seconds, 2.0 seconds. This is not and function. Background image 0.2 seconds is in out. Then let's add a tooltip. I'm making some styles here. Tooltip position, absolute position I'm adding here. Bottom 120%, left is 50%, and translate X, translate capital X, minus 50%. Background color is black, and after that I'm adding the color is white. Width is 150 pixels. The tooltip width and the padding, I'm adding the padding is 5 pixels. Border radius is around 5 pixels. Then opacity is 0. Pointer events none. Transition opacity opacity 1.3 seconds, easing out. Then when I mouse over on this button control, I want to display the tooltip. So again, button hover this tooltip, this class tooltip, I want to display opacity 1. Now let's add the tooltip style also. Before content is empty. I want to display this content. If you can add this content here also if you want. Position absolute, let's make it absolute. Top is 100%. Left is 50%. Margin left is -5 pixels. Border width, the border width is 5 pixels I'm adding. Border style, let's add the border style is solid border. That's it. I don't want the border color here. Let's save this file. We'll check the final output of our application. This is the script and this is the button control. Inside the button control I have a span which is our tooltip. Let's save this file first. Save. We'll check the final output of our application. For that we need to open the file explorer. The folder I have created in the E drive, which is the folder on JavaScript interview. The folder name is a tooltip custom button. This is the file name is a tooltip custom button. Let's open that button. And here we got the final output of our application. Notice the button size is very big. When I mouse over, we are getting the tooltip, but why this button control is big? Let's fix that one. Notice here the position is absolute. Position. That's the reason we are getting the error. Let's save this file. We'll check the final output of our application again. I'm reloading the browser. And here we got the final output of our application. Notice the button size is perfect now. And when I mouse over, notice I got a tooltip. And we're getting the animation. Slowly we're getting the tooltip. When I mouse off, the tooltip is gone. Awesome. It's getting back again. That's it. In this video tutorial, I have showed how to create a custom tooltips with only CSS, animated tooltips. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment. We'll catch you in my next video tutorial.